The purpose of this video is for you to be able to draw pictures of like a compound or a molecule based upon a formula. You got to remember subscripts. Subscripts are the whole numbers written below. That's a subscript for oxygen. Excuse me, for hydrogen. Hydrogen, it's 2. And the subscript for hydrogen is 1. It's not written in. Now to draw this, I just got to figure out what elements I've got. And you got to remember that each capital letter is its own element. And so I've got 2. So then it's HOH. Here's another example. 2 elements I have are sodium and chlorine. And here again, this is 2 separate elements, not 4 elements, because I've got 2 capital letters. That's that's not a capital L. That's a lowercase l. So this would look like this. Now, this is sodium hydroxide. I've got 3 elements present: sodium, oxygen, and hydrogen. And now that means I have 3 bubbles: N, O, and H. I could draw it like this. Because the OH is actually a polyatomic ion, and polyatomic ions kind of act as one thing most often. I've got 2 more up here. I've got aluminum sulfate, Al2SO4 3, and I've got magnesium sulfate, MgSO4. Now, sulfate is a polyatomic ion, the SO4. I've got 3 of them here, and I've got 1 of them in this molecule or compound. Now to draw this, I'm going to have 2 ALs and 3 SO4s, 1, 2, and then 3 SO4s. And to draw this one, I'm going to have 1 magnesium and 1 sulfate. Now, I could do this too. I could write the SO out with 4 O's like that. All right? Now, MgSO4, I'm going to show you a wrong way to do this. Oftentimes, people do this: 1 Mg with 4 SOs. However, the formula is not written like that. All right? That would be this formula when I've had a parentheses around the SO, but I don't. I have an Mg, 4, so I've got 1 Mg and 1 SO4.